Okay, it's the calm before the storm. Snowmageddon 2019. Supposed to get rain and ice down here today and tomorrow with 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. It's like 8:30 in the morning Saturday. We'll see what it does. See if that Vawt produces any voltage today. There we are, 77%, 18 degrees, went up a degree. There's what we ended up. Today's Sunday. Old shed's going down there. I cleared out the sidewalk, about 6 inches of snow. Didn't clear them panels. I want to do an experiment, see what, well, not an experiment, see what it does. I don't think it's producing anything on that 12-volt system, but that's what kind of day we're having today, Sunday. Hey, my friends over here in the States that want to get warm, go over to Just In Case Solar's channel. He's got like 91, 92 degrees. His solar's kicking butt. And here's what we got to deal with. He's got to deal with it sometimes too, I think. Yeah, shoveled out the cars. Cleaned the panels off, believe it or not. Can't tell it. Just go and see what it's producing here. Yeah, we'll be getting nothing on that 12-volt system. Panels have about 2 inches of snow on them. She's float. It says 99% on the Midnight Classic. That's not bad for them panels being covered a little bit by that snow and ice. It's got about a 1/4 inch of ice on the panels too, by the way. We had ice yesterday night. Rain all day yesterday, and last night about 12 o'clock it turned into ice. I'm surprised, and we lost power of course there for a bit. So good old solar did its job. Plugged her right back in and bam, we had power. So yeah, another good reason to have solar, if nothing else, for backup. No more paying for gas for me. So yeah, one of these days I'll get this all buttoned up, get my pip up. The Vawt's really not doing much. It's spinning, but it's not doing much. Let's take a look on the gauge. That's set at 200 volts with them gusts. That's what the Vawt's doing. I just got too dirty air here. Looks like the highest it's got is 8.3. That should be well above that because that's alternating current. So that's not good at all. Maybe if I get it up another 30-40 feet, but I can't do that. I'm just going with solar. Maybe I'll get a wind to charge the batteries one of these days, a real strong one. Who knows? Thank goodness it was cheap. There's what the Vawt's doing. And that's the speed it's going too in the camera. It's not going fast. It does occasionally, but it might kick up now. It's going pretty good now. Pretty much it on the Vawt. It's a feel for me. Not putting the volts down, it might work. Like I said, if we had it higher up. I can't get her no higher up right now. We'll spend my money on solar. Well, thanks for subscribing, watching. If you're not subscribed, click the bell. Thumbs up or thumbs down. This is a high weather here. Pretty spinning thing. Pretty much a yard ornament right now.